Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I finished my day, and it's time to call it a day. I have done my share for my life, for my job, for my life. I feel good, feel so good. And so I want to do an outfit of the day just to appreciate myself because I made it. Sometimes we need to self-appreciate, right? And so this is the outfit of the day. Very, very simple, very, very ordinary. Nothing fancy, nothing flashy, nothing pretty. It's just an outfit of the day. But I want to move. I want to see myself, and just having the courage to see myself, to stand up, stand straight, is uplifting. Don't you think so? Let's do it. This is it. It's very, very comfortable, and I will show you how comfortable it is. It's a little bit cold today. Cuckoo, minutu. It's a little bit cold, and I wear this. Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit cold, so I wear this this high neck, and this pants so comfortable. I think I bought it in Paris, and it must be H&M or something, and very in children's, so 14 years old, 16 years old, and there is string. If it is get loose, I can tie the string, and the good thing is that the string does not show up. You can hide it in. So good. And it's a cargo pants, I think. Big, huge pocket here. And you do not need a button or anything, just this one is already down here. Another pocket here, and a deep, dark, a deep pocket. You can see how big it is, very deep, so that if you put a cell phone, put a pen, put a pair of scissors, put anything in it, it will not fall off. If something so shallow you put in, boom, come out, and then break. And this one, the same thing. It's the same size, so that you do not have one hand long, one hand short. And even better, there is another little pocket here to put in something more secret. And here there is a pocket. It's just so very comfortable. And here you can tie it tight, or make it loose. I think I can make it just loose. It's good enough. So cool. I love it. You can put the top in, not top, outside. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Where are you? Bang, bang. Bang, bang. That's it. So easy to move. The shoe is a little bit loose. choo 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 choo. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu bye bye. Everything is kind of dark and soft color, a little bit, not too showy, not too bright, not too loud, but I'm happy. Bang bang, 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 ooh 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.